I am a first generation college student, so I never knew what college was until they really informed me and my family what college was and the opportunities that it brought to me. It was really an environment that gave me so much opportunity to grow and to network in. And because of that, I was able to be so successful and really love what I was doing. My name is Nayzeth Landa. I'm an alumni to CU Denver. I received both my bachelor's and my master's degree here. When I first came to college, I was really excited. I instantly was able to connect with my professors. They really got to know me and they knew my name from the start, and that really stood out to me. It was my second semester here, and it was my first human development and family relations class, and it was that class that made me decide that I wanted to pursue this major. We had to volunteer as part of our grade. I always loved volunteering on my own time, so when I had to do it for a grade, I decided to go and volunteer, and that's how I ended up getting involved within the farm and as well as all of the college support groups. The regenerative farming project was created to serve all parts of Colorado, that being the environment, the community, college students. When you hear regenerative farming, it makes it seem like it's its own technique of farming, but in reality, it's the traditional way of farming. I like to think of it as a cycle. So there's the people who are protecting the soil, so you're pulling the crops, but then we also incorporate, we'll plant some weeds so they can protect the soil. So it really is like a whole community and a whole system to protect our environment, to provide fresher food for the people of Colorado. They feed over 450 families a week. So this project was really formed so we could go there and volunteer and help all these communities and our environment and so many different aspects. Even though we personally didn't give them that food, but just knowing that we're able to provide a meal for them is really inspiring. My future goals are to teach a college class by myself. I currently co-teach a college success class, but a goal of mine is to teach a college level course, maybe potentially get a PhD in the future. My advice for a student who's really unsure what they want to do in the future or where they want to go is really to try college out. Really, if you find that one connection, the people here at CU Denver, or I've noticed even in the CU system, they really care for their students. And with those resources, you'll be able to discover who you are and what you want to pursue in the future.